Yes? What are you... Are you drawing a snail? You can do it, Zuriel. How can you draw snail? Can I see? Wow! Like a snail. Snail. And then... A snake! You want snake? Okay, draw snake. Yes! Draw snake. What's that? Snake. Can you see your snake? Wow, very nice. Where's the eyes? You put eyes in the snake. Excuse me. Say excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, ay na. Answer naman Akin. Oh, where?
It's the eye.
Natin letter B. Ay natin letter B. Akin.
B.
B, when? B.
Nail. The nail. Up.
Wow, Zani's making a snake.
Nail.
Snake, very good. Wow, that's a very long snake. Snake? Good job.
Neck.
Snake too, Zuriel?
Look, Mommy. My neck. Snail.
Snail.
Snake.
Si Zani, snake daw. Si Zuriel, snail. Ni Kuya Akin nga. Kuya Akin. Where is letter B? Ano natin letter B?
B.
Yun, B. Yes. Where's letter B?
There.
Diyan nga to. B. Ball. B. Ball. Very good. Oh, sulat mo. Letter B. Diyan na. Very good.
Okay.
Okay?